Okay, now get to the free throw line. All right, now shoot 10 from your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now let Jack go from the chest.
I'm at like 3.
Good job, but Jack.
Okay. 6.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sure.
1 from your chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Okay, now Bubba, do yours, and now make sure you start at your chin this time, okay? Show me how. There you go. Okay, make sure you start there. So get up behind the line. At your chin. Ready? 1, 2. Make sure you start at your chin. 3. Start at your chin. 4. 5. Chin's different, huh? Woo, 6. 7. 8. 9. From your chin. 10. All right, Jack's turn. From your chin, buddy. From your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, was that nothing but net?
Yeah.
6. Is that 6?
Yeah.
Start at your chin. 7. Whoops. 8. 9. 10. Did that go in?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, Bubba. Now, this time is going to be the trickiest, I think, because you got to start over your head. All the way over your head. Ready? Okay. Woo! Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. All right. Over your head, Jack. 1,
Head. Nice.
2. Is that over your head?
Yeah.
3. You weren't looking at the basket on that one. Whoa, 4. Are your arms getting tired?
Nope.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Good job, guys.